Díomh fáistí, chunas atá sibh, tásúla gom go bhfuil sibh go maith inniu. Tá mé fécant amach an inneog, agus tá sé scamalach a rís fuair agus gwaifir, mar is gná as usual inniu an chéadín, an fiú lá ní anar. Today's Wednesday the 20th of January, inniu an chéadín an fiú lá anar. So, a rís, tá meidir fécant CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE. Okay, so yesterday, bhí mar fécant CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE a rís. Cén CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr leat. Sorry, cén an bhfuil CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE a cud, tá bronnam. Tá CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE a gom. Is brálum a bheith ag. Agus go leor rudaí mar sin, agus bhí mar ag fécant scéal seo. Okay, an linn snámha. So if you wanted to send me a vocaroo of you reading that story, that would be fab. Okay, that would be great. So inniu, táimid a rís ag fécant CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE. We're moving on. Yesterday we looked at is bra lum a bheith. Ag immert pel is bra lat, is bra leis, is bra lei, is bra lo, ling, live, and so on. We were learning how to say that I like to do this, he likes to do that, she likes to do this, you like to do that, and so on. Okay, so Monday we were just looking at ourselves. Is bra lum a bheith ag cócrocht, is má lum a bheith ag ri, is má lum a bheith ag immert cluichí rivra. Yesterday we moved on to is má lat a bheith ag marcíocht, is má lo a bheith ag caint. So we're moving on again. So now we're being asked, cén CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr leis? Cén CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr lo? Which means cén CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr leis is what is his, leis his, what is his favourite sport. So if I was to ask you, cén CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr leat? I'm asking what your favourite hobby is, because we all have lots of hobbies. We're so busy. We have lots and lots of hobbies. You know, it's bralum a bheith ag rit, it's bralum a bheith ag immert pel, it's bralum a bheith ag léamh, it's bralum a bheith ag snámh. You know, but is fearr a bheith ag rit. Is fearr a bheith ag marcíocht. So horse riding is my favourite hobby. So we see here, cén CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr leis. And the first bit is done for you. Is fearr leis bheith. And look at the picture. Let's go down here to the bottom. Find the same picture. And we can see it here. Ag immert golf. Is fearr leis bheith ag immert golf. And you would quite simply is fearr is fearr leis bheith ag immert golf. Okay, so let's skip down, because Iverado has the first few words done for you as well. Is fearr lo bheith. Okay, is fearr lo. So them. Okay, so cén CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr lo. Is fearr lo bheith. So we always answer it in the same personal pronoun. Okay, so what hobby do they prefer? They prefer. Okay, what is their favourite hobby? Their favourite hobby is. Cén CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr lo. Is fearr lo bheith ag immert rugby. Okay, cén CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr leis. Is fearr leis bheith ag immert golf. So let's go down and have a look at one that doesn't have the first bit done for us. Okay, yeah, so number 3, Iver 3. So Féachar and Colleen sin. Cén CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr lei? So we look here at the picture, we go down to find at the bottom. Aha, there's someone doing the same thing. Egg. Well, hold on. You got to be very, very careful here. See the difference in the ball? Okay, we can see that that's actually a GAA football. If you look very, very closely, you can see the GAA symbol. Okay, so it's Immert Pella. The other will be Eg Immert Soccer. Eg Immert Pella. So what would we write down there? Iver a 3. Is fearr. So what's going to go in there? CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr leis. So is fearr leis ve Eg Immert Pella. She prefers, or football, Gaelic football, is her favourite. Okay? So CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr leis. What is her favourite hobby? Her favourite hobby is football. Okay? She prefers to be playing football, which is the direct translation of that. It's fearr leis ve Eg Immert Pella. Okay? Playing football is her favourite. So I'm going to read them all out for you very quickly, and then I'll leave it up to you to rock on with it. Okay? CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr leis. CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr lo. CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr leis. CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr lo. CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr lo. CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr lo. Remember lo being they, them. CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr leis. What's his favourite hobby? CAITHEAMH AIMSIRE is fearr leis. So I'll read out the different hobbies we have for our answers. 8 pictures, 8 questions. Eg Immert Pella. Eg Immert Kishfella. Eg Immert Et Fella. Volleyball. Eg Immert Ladoiga. Eg Immert Corti. Eg Immert Rugby. Eg Immert Golf. Eg Immert Soccer. So is fearr leis a bheith eg. Is fearr lo a bheith eg. And so on. Okay? So Gunairi live leis an ober shin. Good luck with that work. And if I can be of any assistance, as always, please get in touch. Don't be afraid to ask me for a bit of help, regardless of how small or even silly you may think your question is. There is no such thing as a silly question. Slán live.